Good morning to all of you. I am Seema Saraswat from KV number 1 Jalali. This is class 7, chapter 4, heat. Today we are going to learn about the heat, how we are going to measure the heat. Thermometer, what is the use of thermometer, clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. So first of all, we can say what is heat. Heat is a form of energy. It makes a substance hotter. We can feel the heat by the temperature effect it produces. When heat is given to a substance, its temperature increases and it becomes hotter. How we can say the substance is hot and cold? Tea is hot, but ice is cold. Soup is hot, but ice cream is cold. The spoon kept in a cup of hot milk is hot, whereas fruit juices is cold. A frying pan kept on a burning gas stove is hot, but the handle of frying pan is cold. Temperature. The temperature of an object is the degree of hotness or coldness of the object. The temperature of an object is measured by using a device called thermometer. There are two common type of thermometer. One is laboratory thermometer, another one is clinical thermometer. Laboratory thermometer, just you can see the laboratory thermometer. This is the glass case, mercury, lowered fixed point, stem. This one is the upper fixed point and this is the hook and this thin capillary tube. Clinical thermometer, you can see this is also having mercury, then thin glass, and you can see one kink like structure. This is narrowness of bore, and this is the temperature range, normal body temperature and thick glass. Now, the normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. When a person gets fever, his body temperature rises. The thermometer used for measuring the temperature of human body is called clinical thermometer. While using a clinical thermometer, we have to follow some precautions. Number one, the thermometer should be washed properly with antiseptic solution. Or second, the thermometer should be read keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. It should be handled with care. The bulb of the thermometer should not be touched while taking a reading. Hold the thermometer by its glass body. Nowadays, we are using digital thermometer. Digital thermometer is having very tiny dry cells and it is safer device also because they are not containing mercury. Mercury is very toxic substance. Just you can see this. This is the digital thermometer. Now laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is made up of a glass tube. It has a glass work with mercury which on gaining heat rises in the glass capillary of the tube. The range of temperature that laboratory thermometer can measure is between minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. We have to follow some precaution while using laboratory thermometer. First one, handle with care. Do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while taking a reading. The thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container. Removing the thermometer from a boiling water bath and immediately immersing it in an ice bath may cause the thermometer to break. Now, you can see in this table the different temperature scale. This is the boiling point of water and freezing point of water. Temperature scale we can compare degree Fahrenheit, boiling point of water it is 212 Fahrenheit and freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. In degrees Celsius, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and freezing point is 0 degree Celsius. In Kelvin scale, boiling point is 373 Kelvin and freezing point is 273 Kelvin. These are the various scale we are using for measuring the temperature. So temperature scales, common used scales are generally Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and the Kelvin scale. So this is all about the thermometer, how we are using and take care of the thermometer. Thank you. Thank you all. Stay healthy, stay safe.